how to upload high quality stories to Instagram. So let's go into the Instagram, but before that just go to the Play Store, or if you're using iOS then just go to the App Store. And here you have to make sure that you're using the updated version of Instagram, right? So in the place of open, if you get updated, just click on the update right now. So I'll just click the open. Okay, and here you have to go to the profile, which is on bottom right side corner, and here you have to click on the three lines, and after that you have to click on these settings, right? So here you have to go to your account, and after that cellular data use, right? So you have to just turn off this data saver, and after that you have to just go back, and that's it guys. And just do one more thing, you have to go to the stories. So if you're not able to find the stories, just type on the search bar, okay, stories, and just click on the search, and you have to type on the search bar original post. Okay, so just click on, and here make sure that all these features are turned on, right? So save posted photos and save posted videos, and this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to just click and hold and go to the app info. You can go from the setting too, and here on the storage usage you have to clear all the cache, right? After clearing all the cache, this may fix your problem. Just reopen the app, but if it doesn't, then you can do one thing, you can clear all the data. So after clearing the data, it may delete all the wasteful data that is making your app slow. So after that it will fix all your problem in Instagram, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.